This video should go very quickly because most students do find adding and subtracting with common denominators to be somewhat simple. To add and subtract rational expressions with the same denominator, we simply, first of all, add or subtract the numerators and place this result over the common denominator. If possible, we simplify. These rules should look very familiar because it's exactly how we add fractions with a common denominator. However, in this case, please don't forget to check for excluded values. Here I have a common denominator of x plus 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is come off to the side and tell you x cannot be negative 1. If it is, my denominator becomes 0 and my problem is no longer valid. However, to add and subtract, this is just like adding and subtracting fractions. So I'm going to say x minus, now here's the catch. Some students initially need to write this 3x minus 2 in parentheses because they keep missing signs. But it's all over x minus 1. So this is x minus 3x minus 2 if you distribute that negative through. The only thing you're going to have to get used to is that on the board in the classroom, I will not be writing out all of these steps. I will simply say x minus 3x and x, and then I'll say minus a positive 2. So x minus 3x minus 2. I'll be saying what's right here in this fraction, but I'll be doing it from the statement of the problem. So I'm going to have negative 2x minus 2 over x plus 1. Here's the problem. Some students may want to leave it like this, but I need to check and see if I can simplify. So I'm going to factor out a negative 2. That leaves me with x plus 1 over x plus 1. Stick that in parentheses, and you can see that those parentheses make a 1. So my answer is just negative 2, provided that x is not negative 1. If x is negative 1, I do not have a simplified form.